Today, kind of a mystery here. Slash of a tire. This car was recently state inspected a couple weeks ago. I'm pretty sure that this happened like over a year ago. I have some clues on why, and it really doesn't matter who's the guilty party is, but there's a couple of approaches that you can use here. If it has been a year, then this is more of a cosmetic thing. I guess you could cut it off. I think the better answer is super glue. I'm gonna have some wipes to wipe up the excess glue. Anytime I'm dealing with super glue, I put on some gloves, because having super glue on your fingers, you gotta like sand it off. I'm not a big fan of that. I like using these mini tubes of super glue primarily because my experience with super glue, once you open it, it's really a pain to use again. So all you have to do is it's sealed here, you got a little penetrator there, twist it together. Just happens to be the right amount of super glue for a whole bunch of repairs, whether it's shoes or your car. So I'm gonna have a wipe at the ready, and I'm just gonna almost paint it on. The great thing about this repair is you're on the road and this happens, as long as it's not leaking, this could be the thing you need. I let it sit there for a couple seconds, and now I'm just gonna push it together, hold it in place, and I think we'll be done here. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippis. You don't like Mississippis, I guess you can use Missouris, Ohios, whatever you want. A little bit of a tab there, so I'll just hit it with some more here on the tip. You don't want to overdo it. I didn't want to get it on the rim for sure. A repair you can do in seconds. Keep an eye on this. If it becomes a problem, certainly we'll take it to a shop, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to last for as long as this tread does. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of car repairs, repairs around your home, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what solution you may see.